effectively invest your money in the market. Learning how to invest in the stock market is a useful skill for anyone, as it can provide a rainy day fund or an entirely new career. Being flexible, determined and good at research, can help anyone to do well. Watch this video for more tips on how to be successful with investments. If it seems too good to be true, it probably is. If a return is being guaranteed, there's a good chance that fraud is involved. There is no way to take part in investing without some risk, and any broker that tells you otherwise is lying. This is not a person that you want to place your money with. Understand the risk involved in the stock market. If you are used to investing in mutual funds, understand that individual stock investing is a greater risk. If you aren't the type of person who is prepared to take a risk, stick with companies that have a good financial standing, and that have shown excellent stock performance in the past. If you own common stocks, take advantage of your voting rights as a shareholder. You may be able to vote on major changes, merges, and new directors, depending on the company's charter. Voting is normally done at a yearly meeting held for shareholders or by mail. It is important that you never think of investing as a hobby. It is really an extremely competitive business, and if you keep that in mind, you will be able to have a more helpful outlook. You need to deeply understand your profits and losses along with the companies you are investing in. If you want to invest but are unsure of what to buy, use a full-service broker. These firms have staff with expertise in the field and highly current knowledge of the markets. While these brokers charge the most, their advice and recommended picks are usually pretty safe bets. Many individuals working at these brokers are they themselves making a lot of money in the stock market and can make you some too, for a fee. Rebalance your portfolio quarterly. If you started with an 80-20 mix of stocks and bonds, the stocks will likely outpace the bonds, leaving you 90/10. Rebalance to 80-20 so that you can reinvest your stock earnings into bonds. This way you keep more of your earnings over the long run. Also rebalance among stock sectors, so that growing sectors can fuel buying opportunities in bear cycle industries. As said in the beginning of this video, anyone can learn how to invest in the stock market with determination and flexibility. Buying high, selling low and remaining patient, are all important tips. Remember the advice in this video, so that you can profit from investments in the stock market today. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.